my Chewy Almond Thumbprint cookies. I'm gonna toast 4 cups of almond flour for my Chewy Almond Thumbprint cookies. And this almond flour is blanched almonds. And so to really get the most out of these cookies and most flavor, I'm gonna toast it in the oven for about 10 minutes at 350. So my almond flour has toasted and now it's cool. So we're ready to make the actual dough for the cookies. So what I wanna add to the almond flour is 2/3 cup of coconut sugar. And the combination of the almond flour and the coconut sugar gives you really hearty, nutty, and smoky little cookies. It's like the perfect combination. And in fact, this cookie is based on a cookie that we make in southern Italy. And what we do is we make the dough and we put jam in the middle, we roll it like a jelly roll, and then we toast it in the oven and then cut it up. But this is a much easier way to do it. So now that we added the coconut sugar, we're also gonna add a little honey. So we're gonna add about 1/4 cup. And I like either clover honey or thyme honey in this. So it's either gonna be florally or a little bit herby. So today we're using some clover honey, especially because Jade likes that little sweetness. Traditionally in Italy, we add limoncello to these cookies. But because it's Jade, I switched out the limoncello for a little lemon juice and added cherry jam instead. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of salt to balance out the sweetness, and we're gonna do lemon zest and lemon juice in place of the traditional limoncello. And these cookies are made sort of year-round. They grow a lot of nuts down there and fruit, so a lot of times they like to make these kind of cookies, and these kind of cookies can sit at room temperature for a little while. Okay. Then we need a little lemon juice as well. The combination of the cherry and the lemon is really good together, so this is gonna make for really yummy cookies. Get all that lemon juice in there. And the last thing we wanna add is 1 egg. So you can see that the dough is very easy to make, and it's made all in one bowl, and you can just use a spatula to mix all the ingredients together, which is very traditional of home-cooked Italian desserts. They're not usually very fancy, and there's no fancy utensils used to make them, but they're usually very flavorful and rich. My batter's done. So then I take a 1 tablespoon measure ice cream scooper, and I just scoop each ball so that they're all the same size and they bake evenly. And what I like to do with these is, because they're thumbprint cookies, you wanna mash them down a little bit, and then you wanna stick your thumb right in the middle. And in that little hole, we're gonna put the cherry jam. So you just put your finger right in the middle of those. So you wanna create a little well for the jam to sit in. I make these in Las Vegas too, at my restaurant. I make peanut butter with blackberry jam in the middle, and they're so good and so popular. They're so pretty. So I'm gonna finish scooping these, and we're gonna pop these in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes until they're golden brown and all toasty. The little thumbprint cookies. They're so cute. So try these. See how pretty they are? Like chewy.